For the web application, sample output will be like this. We can see in this image. Web application output will be like this. As we have used Streamlit runweb.py, we can see here this is the UI part of our project. Here we can see we have passed the image and status of this image is as not defective. Again we are here browsing the file. We are providing next file. You can see it is defective one, as this is missing one PCB here, capacitor here, this one capacitor. Also we can provide video. We will browse the file. After browsing and selection of the file, it will go through that file. It will check. It is running now. You can see all the parts we can see here with its accuracy. So it is showing defective because missing part is register mentioned here. We can see the position of the register. As we know, here is the register position actually, and register is missing here. In this way, UI part is working, and the defective and non-defective PCBs are we can easily find out in this application. Main web screen. User is allowed to select type of PCB unit. Choose the type of input. It could be image, video or real-time video, and also drag and drop the file. Second page, as we have seen in the video, this defines the output of the PCB image in tabular format. Present and absent column define the component status. As we have mentioned, deployment can be done on any cloud. We have used the AWS cloud.